Well guys, today we will see how to deposit funds in your Cash App account via paper money option. At first, click on the banking tab present at the bottom. Here you will find the option of paper money. By tapping over it, you are able to access nearby locations. By reaching there, you can easily add money in your Cash App account. For example, I selected this. By click on direction option, I am able to see the option of cashier where I have to pay my cash money to get the funds reflected in my Cash App account. Even though there is also a show barcode option which we have to show to the cashier to receive that funds in my respective account. There are also some rules that you have to follow to proceed your transaction successful. Like there is $1 transaction fees, even though you can proceed only one transaction using one barcode, and minimum $5 you have to add, and maximum per transaction you can add $500, and within 7 days you can add total of $1000, and in 30 days you can add total of $4000. And by following these instructions you can easily add money into your Cash App account. I hope you find this video informative. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.